Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing good. So today, once again, I welcome you to language video of the chapter Articles and Determinants in its kinds. So today, I am going to cover up the second part of the chapter. Okay, in the previous video, I have already taught you about the first part of the chapter. Okay, and it was articles and determinants. First of all, I have given you the definition, and then I have explained you about the kinds of determinants. Okay, there are four kinds: article, demonstrative, quantifiers, and possessive. So in the previous video, I have already covered up articles and demonstrative. So today in this video, I am going to cover up quantifiers and positives. Fine? Okay. Now see here, I am going to cover now quantifiers and positives. So quantifiers is also known as determiners. Fine? Quantifiers or determiners. Fine? So in the previous video, we have learned about articles and demonstratives. Yes? So now we will be covering quantifiers and positives. Clear to everyone? Okay, so now let's have a look. What is quantifiers? Okay, now let's see. Determiners or quantifiers. Quantifiers is a determiner that indicates quantity. Okay, so what are quantifiers? Quantifiers are determiners which indicates quantity, which shows quantity. Quantity means how much of a thing is meant. Okay, so what is quantity? Quantity is how much of a thing is meant, how much of a thing is required, how much of a thing is being talked about. Clear? Okay. For example, all, some, few, a lot, no, etc. So when we say all, it indicates the quantity. How many or how much? All. Some, it also indicates quantity. How many children? Some. Few also indicates quantity. I had a few sweets. Few. Few means quantity. A lot. A lot means dher sara. It indicates quantity. No. I have no money with me. That means how much? Not even a single penny. Okay, so all these are what? These are all quantifiers. Okay, it shows quantity. Okay, now see, quantifiers can be used with countable nouns. Okay, and now this quantifiers, it can be used with countable nouns. Okay, so do you know what is countable nouns? Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted. जैसे हम गिन सकते हैं. Okay, like example, if I tell you boys, you can count boys. If I say girls, animals, okay, you can count all those. But if I say you rice, can you count rice? No. If I say hair, there are many hair on my head. Can you count hair? You cannot count. Okay, so nouns like boy, car, toys, bed, chair, all these are countable nouns. Okay, they are countable nouns. Why? Because they can be counted. You can count. Okay, so quantifiers can be used with countable nouns. Example, many, few, a few, several, none, etc. Okay, 1 minute. Yes. Okay, is it clear? So these quantifiers can be used with countable nouns. Example, many. Many girls. Okay, when we say many girls, that means you can count those girls. When you will say few students, that means you can count those students. A few, that means very less. Several means much. Okay, none means no one. So all these are used with countable nouns. Clear to everyone? Okay. Example, see, for many students, that means you can count how many students are there in your class. Example, like suppose we can say there are 40 students, so we can count all those 40 students. Okay, so they comes under quantifier. Okay, next, a few girls. Okay, a few girls mean among few girls there were many more less girls who are having such and such quality or who have done such and such things. Okay, so a few girls. So all these are countable. They can be used with countable nouns. Okay, now see, a many is quantifier and a few is also quantifier. Okay, or you can say determiner. Okay, see, it's already written here. Quantifier is a determiner. Okay, so don't mistake quantifier and determiner. They are not two different things. They are alike. They are same thing. Okay, so what is many and a few? They are quantifier or determiner. Now what is student and girls? They are countable nouns. Okay, now some quantifiers can be used with non-countable nouns. Okay, and there are some quantifier which can also be used with non-countable noun. Okay, some quantifiers can be used with non-countable. Non-countable means uncountable nouns. Example, much, little, a bit of, a good deal of, great deal of, no, etc. Okay, now see here. You must be confused that here is also no and here is also no. Yes or no? But sometimes it happens that according to sentence, the quantifier changes. Okay, you will not say that a quantifier which is used with countable nouns cannot be used with uncountable nouns. Sometimes it can be used according to sentence. Okay, so now let's repeat again. Some quantifiers can be used with non-countable nouns. Example, much, little, a bit of, a good deal of, great deal of, no, etc. Example, not much writing. The teacher has not given us much writing. Okay, next, a little salt. Can you pass me a little salt? Okay, now see here, when I say writing, writing is not the thing that you can count. You cannot count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, writing is not the thing to be counted. Salt. Can you count salt? Can you count sugar? No. Can you count turmeric? Can you count flour? That means atta? No, you cannot count. Okay, so some quantifiers are used with non-countable nouns. Clear to everyone? Okay, now see next. Some quantifiers can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. And there are some quantifiers, 1 minute. Yes, there are some quantifiers which can be used with both countable and non-countable nouns. What are the examples of those? They are some, all, most, enough, a lot of, plenty of, a lack of, etc. Okay, so there are some quantifiers which can be used with both countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, like suppose here you can see here are many. Okay, here are many, here are few. So these are used with countable nouns. Okay, and here much, little, a bit of, a lot of, a good deal of, a great deal of, no. These are all used with uncountable nouns. Okay, and some quantifiers can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Example, some, all, most, enough, a lot of, plenty of, a lack of. etc. Okay, so what it indicates? It indicates that according to sentence, these quantifiers can be used. Fine. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Quantifiers are also known as, what is it also known as? It is also known as determinants. Fine. Okay, so now let us have a look at possessive. Okay, now let us see what is a possessive. So, possessives. Possessive words such as ours, yours. Okay. Possessive words such as ours, yours, mine, theirs, hers, his, etc. can be used as determinants. Okay. There are some possessive words like all these. They can be used with determinants. Okay. So first of all, you tell me what is possessive. Okay. We have learned so many times possessive. What is the meaning of possessive? The possessive means the things or object which belongs to somebody who has the right over that object. That is called possessive. Like suppose if I say this is my book. So whose book is this? Mine. If I say this is my pencil. Okay, this is my pencil. So whose pencil is this? Mine. Okay, or if I say nah, that is your pencil. Okay, that is your pencil. Whose pencil is that? Yours. So who is the owner of that pencil? You. And who is the owner of this pencil? Me. Okay, so the person who possesses something has got the right over that thing, and that word is called possessive. समझ में आया? Yes, everybody? Okay. So, possessive words such as ours, yours, mine, theirs, hers, his, etc. can be used as determiners. A possessive determiner provides context in a sentence because it informs the reader what belongs to the object. See, I have explained just now. Okay, so in a sentence, the possessive word shows that what the things belong to the subject. Okay, now if I say this is my pencil, who is subject here? Sorry, who is the subject here? Me, because this is my pencil. And if I say that is your pencil, okay, that is your pencil. So who is the subject here? You, because this pencil is yours. Fine. If I say this is my pencil, if I say this is my pencil, then this is my. So who is the subject here? Me, I. Okay, and when I say this one, that is your pencil, then who is the subject here? You, because it is your pencil. Fine. Now see, I'll give you some examples. Example. Her car is here. Whose car? Her. Okay. So, what is possessive here? Her. Number 2. I need your help. I need. Whose help? Your. Okay. So, who is going to offer help? You. So, your is possessive, not I. Okay. Because here, who is the one who is doing the action? You. Fine. So, your is possessive. मुझे मदद की जरूरत है. किसकी मदद? आपकी, तुम्हारी. So, you or your become possessive here. Fine. Here, her car is here. So, whose car? Her. So, her becomes possessive. Okay. Now, let me show you all this with the help of examples. Now, see. Fill in the blank with possessives. Okay. This umbrella is dash. Whose umbrella is this? Mine. So, who belongs to this umbrella? Me. Okay, so this umbrella is mine. You can also write yours. You can also write hers, his. Okay, here you have to show possession. कि किसका है. Clear? Next, number 2. You are. That means I am pointing you. I am talking about you. You are being called by dash teacher. तुम्हें dash teacher बुला रहे हैं. So you are being called by whose teacher? Obviously your. ठीक है, तुम्हें तुम्हारे टीचर बुला रहा है. Clear? So you are being called by whose teacher? Your teacher, because definitely your teacher will be calling you. Okay, not my teacher will be calling you. It will be your teacher who is calling you. Clear? Next, number 3. Is dash coffee on the table? Okay, so here I am asking to somebody. Okay, what am I asking? क्या वो कॉफी टेबल पे डैश है? देन व्हाट वुड आई से? क्या वो कॉफी टेबल पे आपका है या फिर उसका है या फिर उनका है? Okay, so here what will be the answer? Is your coffee on the table, or is his coffee on the table, or is her coffee on the table? Clear? So according to sentence you can use positive. Okay, so here you can use is your or is mine. You can ask even to you can even question also. क्या ये टेबल पे कॉफी मेरा ही है? Is my coffee on the table? Is his coffee on the table? Is her coffee on the table? Okay, now let's see number 4. He has lost dash notebook. Now see, this is a boy. He is a boy. तो इसने किसकी नोटबुक खो दी? खुद की. Okay, we will not say that he has lost your notebook. So obviously it will be he has lost his notebook. Okay, you can write he has lost your notebook or he has lost my notebook, but here we are talking about possession. Okay, so he will become his. He has lost his notebook. She has lost her handkerchief. She has lost her pencil box. Okay, or you'll say mother has lost her purse. Clear? In that way. That means what I want to tell you here is that you have to write here possessions. Who possess that thing? Okay, next. Number 5. The cat is looking for dash kittens. Now see, a cat is mother. Yes or no? So the cat is looking for dash kitten. Cat किसकी बिल्ली के बच्चे के लिए, बिल्ली किसके बच्चे के लिए देख रही है? किसके बच्चे को ढूंढ रही है? खुद के बच्चे को. So it will be the cat is looking for her kittens. We will not say his. We will not write here his, or we will not write here yours. Okay, the cat is looking for your kittens. Wrong. The cat is looking for his kitten. Wrong. Since cat is a mother, we have to write here her. That means her is not human being. Her means it indicates cat. Okay, the cat is looking for her kittens. Is it clear to everyone that how possessive is used? Is it clear to you all that how to use possessive in a sentence? I hope it is clear to you. Okay. Okay, so now let us have a look about the examples of quantifiers. Okay, so let's have a look, only 5 of it. Fill in the blanks with quantifiers. Okay, number 1. Dash children are playing in the park. You can write quantifier means, remember what is the meaning of quantifier, a determiner? It means showing the quantity. Okay, so here you can write many. Many children are playing in the park. Number 2. Children are making dash noise. What will be the answer? A lot of. Okay, see here, now it is countable noun and this is uncountable noun. Okay, so here it is many, Here you can write a lot of, you can write even much also. Children are making much noise. Okay, a lot of or much. So you can write the quantifiers which match exactly. You cannot write anything. If you just write anything, it will be wrong. You cannot write this sum here. Children are making some noise. No, it will be wrong. So according to the sentence, you have to put the quantifiers. Okay, so what is the correct answer? Children are making a lot of noise. Number 3. He has dash good sense. What will be the answer? He has some good sense. Or he has a little good sense. Number 4. Please pass me dash salt. Please pass me some salt. Or please pass me a little salt. Okay. Number 5. There is dash food left in the kitchen. What will be the answer? There is much food left in the kitchen. किचन पे ढेर सारा खाना बच गया है. Okay, there is much food left in the kitchen. Okay, so I have even shown you with the examples. Okay, examples in grammar number 1 and okay, this is number 1 and exercise in grammar number 2 is positive. Okay, so I hope this chapter is clear to you now. Yes or no? Okay, thank you for watching.